What's up, people? I'm back, and today I have an awesome soap. Awesome base, really good crisp scent, citrusy scent. We have from Alien Shave, Bergamot. Yep, just Bergamot, but it's very crisp, very refreshing. I love this. Here's your ingredients. Very simple ingredients. It is beef tallow based, so you're getting 4 ounces. Premium shave soap, rich, dense lather. This stuff is so slick. And dig in there in the corner, but you see that little crown? Pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to be using the, yep, you guessed it, Yates Precision bowl. Got this glorious stuff whipped up here. First time I've used it in a bowl, but, and I have the matching splash, so we'll get into that in a bit. So I won't be using any pre-shaves, just water. Okay, so, oh, Bruges Sterling flat top. Flat top Badger 24 millimeter. It doesn't tell what kind of Badger. Okay, looks like a 3-band to me. Anyway, the Resort will be the Vector. Inside the Vector, we have my new favorite AC blades, the Pro Touch MGs. We have that in there, probably like 4 or 5 shaves, 3 or 4, something like that. So hope everybody's doing well, not buying too much shit. Me, been chilling, man. Took a break for a little while, you know. About to go to the beach shortly, coming up. Probably do a video there. I did try to do a video a while back, but it failed. Not upload, it recorded it and then it disappeared. No error, no nothing, just disappeared. So I don't know. It was a different video too. It's like 2 months ago, or a good month and a half ago. All right, let's get it. Come here, Vector. My baby. Uh, I am going to do things a little bit different. I'm only going to do one pass and pick up. For video time's sake, but if anybody wants to see anything in particular, I'll make a separate video. I do have a quite extensive little backlog, so when I hit 400, we're doing another giveaway, so be sure and jump on board. And also, this shave is sponsored by Alien Shave. We're out of Chicago. Illinois, I believe. We'll see how big I can get these curls. Anyone know really good mustache wax? Put in the comments below. This stuff is so slick. The residual slickness is stupid slick. And I mean it, every bit of it. What would I rate the scent? It is a very fresh, crisp fruit, citrus, so it's not really going to stick with you a long time, but for what it is, they did it right and lathered up. I don't have to try to smell it. I'm a little stopped up right now, but I'll give it every bit of 6 lathered. 5 out of the tub. And you want to see what it looks like out of the brush. Very, very easy to lather. It doesn't take hardly any soap. Look at that. So effortless to make this. Just a beautiful lather. I mean, I'm just trying to get it off my hands. So yeah, anybody got any video ideas, hit me up on NC Wetheads Facebook group. Or just hit me up on Facebook Messenger. Let me know what you want to see, and if I have it, I'll use it. Epic shave every time, never fails, from the Blackland Vector. But that's not what this video is about. Now I want you to look at this. Willow bark, soothing formula, 2.5 ounce. Awesome bottle. Awesome restrictor. I'm gonna follow it up at B&M's Angelique later. Yeah, it's got that cooling. I don't get the menthol smell, which I appreciate, but I get the cooling sensation, and it feels really nice. Yeah, I could go in for that 4 or 5 times. Really nice stuff here. They have just their premium aftershave. It's got aloe leaf juice, witch hazel water, organic white willow bark, glycerin, a little bit of alcohol, tea tree oil, something. Probably that tea tree oil. But yeah, 2 thumbs up on the soap set. Awesome base. I'd love to try more scents in this premium soap base. So thank you so much, Alien Shave. And guys, I'll see you on the next one. I'm going to do a dot kit video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new, what's up? Hit subscribe, hit like, tell all your friends and family. Peace.